Okay, monkeys, once again, just a little demonstration. This is a wool pad. You can tell because it's made of wool. Now, to clean this, I use what's called a spur. It's just 3 little spinny things. There's washers in between. This one's been in my possession for about 10 years. And it just goes along the mat of the pad. Now, today, right now, I'm going to switch to a foam pad. See people do this all the time. They use these, but it'll destroy the pad. The pad is soft, so why would you use that? The other choice is a stiff bristle brush. You don't need one like this. This is like a $20 part from Fisheries or West Marine. It's ridiculous. The only part you really need is this, and you can buy it at the dollar store in a handle style brush to clean this out. And here's how this goes. It doesn't have to be that fast, sorry. You just kind of, you see all the dust kicking off. It also has a tendency to kind of chew up the pad a little bit. I prefer to use my snap tool. This is a snap removal and grabbing and snapping tool. So I use the back end, the round part. And it doesn't destroy the pad nearly as much. Okay, now you know, and that just fell off, so it shows that I'm an expert.